We're doing a mixed grill, starting with the mint chimichurri. I'm using predominantly mint in this chimichurri, not perfect, just a medium rough chop. I like it kind of chunky and rustic. And then we're gonna use some parsley as well. I like to comb the parsley. You don't really want the stems, but whatever is released is fine. And then again, a very rough chop. One of my mejor amigas, Fernanda, taught me how to make chimichurri. She's Argentinian. It's probably one of my most used condiments. So olive oil, white vinegar, red chili flakes, about half a teaspoon. I like it spicy. We need some garlic, definitely. About 1.5 cloves for this amount. Unless you like it garlicky, you can go for more. Salt. And I would add more olive oil. I kind of want to just submerge the herbs just under the oil. Perfect. So we're gonna let our chimichurri just sit here, let it marinate, and then we're gonna start prepping the lamb. Personally, I don't like to cook the rack whole. I find that I have more control when I can cook them in a lollipop, and it's way more fun to entertain and walk around and eat it more casually. So you just split it straight down between bone. Pretty easy. I don't like to trim any of that fat off. I like that fat. So let's season with some salt, fresh ground pepper. So we could just put this aside. And now let's get this tri-tip ready for the grill. I'm gonna trim back some of this fat with the boning knife. Just gently pull the fat back and let the knife do the work. It's very simple. Salt and pepper. We'll keep this pretty basic. So while the tri-tip's on the grill, I'm gonna get started on the kale salad. You wanna leave a little bit of the stalk about halfway, so that way the kale stays intact on the grill. So you pull down the leaves down just halfway and rip. We're also gonna grill avocados. So you go straight down the center, and then we're gonna do it one more time in quarters. It's easier to grill both sides in quarters because we'll grill it like this and then flip it over like that. Halloumi cheese, so lovely on the grill. We'll grill it in 4 pieces. Let's grill oranges for the dressing. So olive oil, just salt, fresh ground pepper. So about 3 minutes, you want to grill the avocado and then just push it down on the other side to get the grill marks on the other side. And then now we're gonna start hitting the kale with some water because we want that steam. This halloumi is starting to melt. Let's get those grill marks. We can take the tri-tip off the grill. Well, these are perfect. Let's squeeze some lemon juice just to ensure that they don't turn any color, because look at that beautiful green. I like to arrange it in such a rustic fashion. Let's take this halloumi off. It's kind of falling apart, but it's gonna work for this dish. So now we're gonna assemble the salad. I'm gonna do just a rough chop of the kale. The halloumi, again, rough chop, super rustic. So good. It's really good pan fried too. But I love it in a salad. Warm like this. Just mix it in. Peel back all the avocado skins gently. But look how pretty that color is. Look at it for real though, guys. And then a rough chop. Some orange juice. Maybe perfect. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, yee. Voila. So let's hit it with some chimichurri. It's rustic, it's casual, it's family style. Taking really good quality, simple ingredients and making them shine.